Wait, Steinbach. Every time there's like a side character on Geschmack Herring, we have to introduce them. So who are you?
I ain't the side character.
Bro, who are you, bro? Who are you? Who are you? Oh, we're here at the Challah place in Bnei Brak over here. Steinbach, we're going through the VIP sneaky entrance to find the freaking Challah. Maumel, Geber, Maumel. Don't know what's going on here. Yo, Alan. Yo, Maumel, what's going on here?
So, we have flowers coming down this chute, water from the hoses.
Wow.
In here to make you your yummy challahs.
Jump, yeah.
Sheesh! And this guy's job is to portion it out into these little bowls.
Yeah.
This one will then put one there. Right, going through an industrial roller and comes out to a nice sausage.
Yo.
Sheesh!
Yo, Mashiach now.
And now, Geschmack Herring.
Yeah.
You're gonna go sit and make some challah, right?
Okay, let's go.
They speak Russian, not Hebrew. Watch. No, two. Watch him. They're gonna teach you. Just watch. And again?
Again?
Yeah, and one more. Now roll it a bit. Geschmack Herring is causing delays on the production line. Grab another two and get making. No. Keep going. Cross it over. Keep crossing. Now it's up. No, yeah, there you go. And now roll. Pinch it and roll it. There you go. Yay! Geschmack Herring. Now we're going to keep going.
Okay, let's go.
So from here they go to fruit. They fruit. We just leave them to rest. They grow.
Wow. They just keep growing, eh?
They keep growing. Wait, let's see. If you open this door over here, just flip it up and open it carefully. It's just very steamy. They might shout at you.
That's some
Shut it quick. Shut it. Lock it again.
Gonna be allowed back
Right over
here.
here in the ovens.
Oh wow.
Hot challah fresh out of the oven.
Wow.
Doesn't get better than this, does it?
No. It's fire.
Bro, this oven is deep.
Okay, we got the challah over here. Straight out of this freaking challah World War II Russian facility.
Oh man.
Wow. It's like cake. So good. It's so sweet and like comforting and soft and warm and like amazing.